The first chapter in the prose section of class 12 in the book is known as the third level, and the third level is something which falls under the genre of magic realism. Magic reality is something where reality and magic or fantasy come together in a particular piece, whether it's a poem or a story or something like that. And here we find that a man has lost his place uh, in the present world and finds a world in the past. So this is a man named Charlie who lost his way in the New York Central Station and went to a time way back. That was in 1894, before the start of the First World War, when the world was a beautiful place, and he tried to go back to his grandfather's uh, home, which was in Galesburg. He had heard from his grandfather that it's a wonderful place. He tried to buy tickets over there, but he could not because he had currency of the modern times. So he went back uh, and he tried to search for the continue searching for the third level. He tried his to continue his search for the third level, and uh, wife and the friends took him to a psychiatrist, where the psychiatrist said it's a waking dream, wish fulfillment, and he also said that it is a way to run away from reality. So in a way, Charlie was trying to run away from reality, according to the friends, and the friends said, yeah, he's trying to run away from reality because his stamp collection is a proof of that. Charlie's grandfather also collected stamps, so Charlie was not sure why would his grandfather try to run away from reality, because he lived in a wonderful place. He also thought about President Roosevelt, who collected stamps, so why would he run away from reality? Uh, Charlie did not stop his search for the third level even after that, but after some time, his wife, who was so anxious about him, what he is doing, and thought that he has lost his mind, she also continued his search for the third level. The reason being that he found a first day cover inside his grandfather's stamp collection. A first day cover is a stamp which, when published on that very day, a stamp collector, the hobby is called philately. The stamp collector pastes it on an envelope and puts an empty or white paper in it and sends it to his own address. And in this way, the stamp bears the proof that it was bought on that particular day, because the post office stamp proves that. So Charlie's grandfather's stamp collection copy suddenly had one letter. The letter was from Charlie's friend Sam. Uh, you must be remembered that there was a psychiatrist to whom Charlie went, and this is the same fellow. He was a city boy. He had heard about Galesburg, and after Charlie had come to him, he had exchanged $800 of old currency into new currency into old one, and searched for the third level and went to the third level. After that, Charlie, decided to continue his search for the third level. He had also exchanged $300 of new currency to old currency, and now his wife also continued his search for the third level. But Charlie was pretty sure that in one case, the man Sam would not be successful in Galesburg, and that was that he could not be a psychiatrist over there, because nobody had psychological problems back then, because Galesburg was a wonderful place. This is all about the third level. I want you to read the book very, very carefully, and if there are any questions that pop up, get back to me. Thank you very much.